drought situation. We've had a severe drought, especially for areas north and west. So that is a good thing. We've had the most rain in those areas, over 1.5 inches. Nashville, over 1 inch there. Cookeville area, close to 1 inch, and then Franklin County, closer to 1/4 inch. So what can you expect tonight and the week ahead? Breezy tonight, dry tonight. We could have some areas of patchy fog. I've been eyeing our visibility maps. Some areas have been struggling, but we've temporarily improved. I'm not going to be surprised if we drop with visibility going into the overnight and morning commute. So just a heads up there. And then, yes, we do have a glorious start to the week. We'll start the morning, early morning with clouds, but the clouds will break up very quickly. It will be a beautiful day, bright blue skies with temperatures in the mid-60s, a beautiful start to the week. And then, yes, we do have some record warm territory, temperatures in the 70s, near 80 degrees. Wait till you see what day we're forecasting. Close to 80 degrees for our daytime high. Bart Durham injury lock camera over downtown Nashville. A thick deck of cloud cover right now. Temperature right now 49 degrees. By the way, our daytime high today was 52. Winds were out of the north, pulled in the cooler temperatures. We were a little breezy and about a good 10 degrees cooler than we were yesterday. Nothing to track for you on our radar update. All the showers are officially out the door off towards the east, but the clouds, that is key in keeping temperatures. We've been pretty much steady in the upper 40s for the past few hours here. Nashville 49 degrees, Murfreesboro 48, and Dixon checking in at 47 degrees. Winds are still cranking, 20-mile-per-hour winds in Columbia, 19 and Lebanon, Portland 22, and Dixon 23. I do think the winds will lighten up going into the overnight hours, and tomorrow will be far less breezy. The reason we've had the rain, the reason we've had the wind and all of that, it's all thanks to this area of low pressure that is officially off towards the south and the east. What we're seeing right now is lingering moisture, keeping the clouds around right now. But as that area of low pressure continues pushing off towards the east, the clouds will break up overnight. And tomorrow morning, I think some of us will still see the clouds, but they will break up very quickly and that sun will come up. It will be a beautiful day. This is 6:30 a.m. We could have some patchy fog at this point, but notice how those clouds will break up. Woo, beautiful day for some lunch outside. Mid-60s and sunshine, just doesn't get better than that. 7 o'clock, still dry. We'll have some clouds start to work its way in. So remember yesterday, I shared this with you. We had 1/2 inch of rain for so far in February. We had a good bit today. 1.5 inches basically in Nashville has put us right there at 2 inches. And that's closer to average. Typically a little over 2 inches is what we get. This is our drought tracker. Remember, every Thursday morning this updates. So I do expect some improvement because these are the areas that got most of the rain this morning here. So rain is a good thing. We needed it and we got it. Let's get out to our 7-day forecast. Temperatures, my friends, we are looking really good. If you love the warm temperatures, 70 Tuesday, Wednesday, near 80 on Thursday, which I think that's when we're going to